tell someone, to actually tell someone right now, like tell someone right now that looking good is
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Hey guys, let's do this. So we're going to be using this to pack not exactly 1.5 precisely. Okay, so let's dive straight into how we achieve this. And if you see me for the first time, hey boo, hey love, hey baby girl, this is what we do here. Don't make it your last. Subscribe and join the family. I love you. So today we're going to be doing this knotless kinky. Yeah, so I'm starting this with a protective style. So I'm braiding out the down, as you can see, right? So after this, I'm gonna attach my kinky. So watch the magic right now. Now, on a lighter note, let me say this now. If you're new and you've been doing kinky, there has been this mistake sometimes we make. Not really mistake though, but let's say, have you tried using right hand twist instead of the left hand twist when doing your kinky? Sometimes you see some kinky, they don't look that beautiful, they don't bounce, they look somehow because it was left-handed, or should I say it was a left-hand twist. So today guys, I want you to try this right-hand twist. It comes out beautiful more than the left hand. So try it and get to understand what I mean. You know, it helps it to bounce very well. Like the dropping is everything. So from today henceforth, baby girl, start trying the right hand twist whenever you are doing a kinky. Okay, still on what it is. Now we're doing the second one. Okay, so if you didn't get it right with the first one, let's see the second one. I'm taking it slowly so you got to see how we twist it down, how we make sure it is secured, it is tight. Okay, so keep watching, focusing on the tips of my finger to see the magic going on there. Okay, so if you didn't get it with the previous one, let's try this next one. Okay, so watch closely and you're gonna get it right this time. So this is the end product of our production. I hope you like it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.